Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant Channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video I'll teach you how to make your Facebook profile looks cute. For this one you have to open Google Play Store and you have to install this Smart Photo Cut Profile Cover Pro for Facebook application. After the installation you have to open this application and then you have to click on first tab, Facebook Cover and Profile Maker. Now you have to select the image that you want to use for your Facebook cover and profile. You have to click on select image tab. So we'll select this image and then you have to reposition your image. And then you have to click on tab to remove watermark. Click on watch video add, click on close, and now you have to click on save. Here you can see saving photos. Close this one. Now here you will see two images. The first one you have to use for your profile photo and second one you have to use as a Facebook cover. Now we'll go to Facebook. First of all we'll upload our profile picture. We'll select the profile picture and then we will click on save. Now we'll upload the profile cover and then we'll click on save. So in the same way you can also make your Facebook profile here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.